Hi, this is Training for All. Welcome to this basic tutorial on Microsoft Word again. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss any of our videos. If you have any question, please comment below. Don't also forget to like or share if possible. Today we're going to show you how to add a signature in a Microsoft Word document. Now, WordPress doesn't provide any way of adding a signature to the page, but we're going to use two software today, and that will be Microsoft Word and also Photoshop, which is really easy to do. Now, you can go to Photoshop and add a new document. Click on File, New, and I prefer to do 300 by 300 size. So, and my background will be transparent. So I will save my document in my file into a PNG file, so I can only I can export it easily to Microsoft Word. So click on 300 with 300 height, and then my background will be transparent, and I click on OK. This is my document. Now if you go to your left hand side, there's this pencil tool. Right click it so you can select pencil tool. Now remember, if you select pencil tool, the color must be black, and I will just say this is my signature. That's my signature. Now what I'm going to do, I will click on Save File, Save As, and I will save it as a PNG file, so I keep the background. So I will keep it, I will save it as a PNG file, and I will call it signature, and I will save it on my desktop. Okay, now I'll go back to my Microsoft Word document. Let me go down to the bottom of the page. Okay, I want to add it here. Just say my name is Solomon, and I click on Insert Image, Photo from Image, Photo from File, and I can select Signature and insert it down here. Now, because it's a PNG file, it's going to keep the background transparent. So this is how you add a signature to your document, and that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Again, if you haven't subscribed, do subscribe so you can so you don't miss any of our videos. And if you have already subscribed, don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you for watching. See you next time.